Yeah guys, just wanted to show you here this EZlifego multifunction double-sided tape in heavy duty quality. Yeah, heavy duty, I can definitely confirm. And because it's so super sticky, we get this reusable storage bag, because otherwise it would stick almost everywhere, and so you can easily put it back here, reseal it so it stays in perfect condition, and when we need it, we open it and take it out again. This is already the second roll which we have bought. My wife is so super excited about this stuff here, and so she's using that to put a ton of solar lights outside of our home, and it has been working absolutely amazing, while a lot of other double-sided tape couldn't hold it for longer than a couple of hours, maybe days. But with this stuff here, it holds up there almost forever. Absolutely amazing. You can see super soft, super sticky, exactly how it should be, and even beautiful, crystal clear, you can see, while a lot of other ones are rather dull. This one super crystal clear and perfectly cut here. Yeah, this is amazing quality, but still very easy to cut with a knife. You can see, I mean, you can already feel that it's sticking hard, definitely. And after cutting off what you need, also pretty easy to remove the cover, and then you can put it where you need it. Just push it down here. What you can see here is that it's super flexible, super stretchy here. You can see in the length and also width. That's also absolutely amazing. So if you have a not totally flat ground, or maybe a product which you want to apply which is not totally flat here, this can nicely adjust to even uneven things. And if you need to replace the device, it's usually super easy to remove without any residue. Yeah, for us definitely the absolute perfect multifunctional double-sided tape, best one I've ever seen. And by the way, this is not a product which I got for free or so. I paid full price, but this is absolutely amazing. Never seen such an awesome double-sided tape. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, or want to share your own experience with this EZlifego double-sided tape, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.